I discovered a weather-beaten map with coordinates to a hidden location. What treasures could possibly be hidden here? Is it El Dorado, the mythical city of gold, or is it the coveted fountain of youth? I searched the maps but couldn't find anything that supported these coordinates. Then I discovered a marking in the bottom corner. JX6. I needed a J by 6 grid in order to properly use these directions. These are no ordinary coordinates. A3, A6, C1, D3, D6, E2, E5, I2, I5, J1, J4. I carefully followed the instructions, marking each coordinate with deft precision on the grid. These coordinates don't make any sense. But wait, if I slowly connect the lines one by one, is it indeed a map to El Dorado? What is this bizarre contraption? Is it the base plans of a golden catapult? Is it part of the gilded thrones? Is it the floor plans for the golden latrines? El Dorado might not be a real place, but you can master perspective. Grids work well because they help you to draw in straight parallel lines, which means that if something's off, it's easier to tell and correct. Also, the corners of the grid lines make it easier to have a target in mind when angling and ending a line. After that, practice. You'll get better. A bonus is that pre-gridded paper is just a little less freaky to look at when faced with a blank page. Hopefully this helps a bit, and I will be drawing more and more perspective to better learn how to explain it myself.